Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ivy, and if you're coming back again, thank you so much for stopping by. And in today's video I am doing this super cute blend cut, so let's get into it. First things first, I'm working on clean hair. My hair is washed and blow dried so that it's easy to work with. I am using a white tooth comb to comb my hair. Shortly after that, I'm going to take my gel. I'm using the Soft and Free molding gel, and I'm just applying it all over my hair, starting with the roots. I am using a comb just to make sure that the gel runs through my hair. I am going to be using a wool to create my ponytail, but you can also use a scrunchie. That is perfectly fine. This part is optional, but you can also use a hair dryer to slick down the flyaways. I am going to be using my silk scarf to wrap my hair with it. You can use any head wrap, but silk would be like proper preference. This is the hair I'm going to be using. I got this hair for 10 rand, yes, at PQ. It's synthetic hair and it's amazing. Next thing, you're gonna take a cap, a wig cap or something that you wanna wrap around your ponytail to secure it. Cause I'm going to be using glue method, the bonding glue method to be precise, I'm going to secure the cap with some rubber bands. I'm going to be using the Soft and Free holding spray, spray it around the wig cap just before the glue. And this is the glue that I'm going to be using. It was 15 rand and I bought it at my local beauty store. You're going to spread it around your wig cap. Make sure you use a generous amount. And now I'm going to wrap the tracks around my ponytail. Please make sure you wrap your track from top to the base. If you wrap everything around the base, it will be too bulky and probably would cause tension, and you don't want that. The parts next here are self-explanatory, so you're just gonna wrap and continue wrapping the hair around and round up until you get to your desired ponytail. After that, I'm going to take a piece out and wrap it around so that it can conceal the base, like so. I am securing the base with G2b Freeze Spray and using my hairdryer to seal the flyaways. And here I'm just using an old brush to brush my edges back because I was not quite sure if I wanted to do some baby hairs or not. And here I'm just showing you guys the back, how it looks before I cut it. Yes, I decided to do some edges at the end and they actually came out pretty cute and I love them so much. And now I'm just gonna cut the ponytail to my desired length. Make sure that when you cut this, you have your mirror and you're actually seeing what you're doing at the back. I chopped this much and I was pretty much excited and proud. I wanted to leave the ponytail just like that. It was very cute, but it's supposed to be a blunt cut. It needs to be a blunt cut, so I'm gonna cut it more. But this is the clips of it before I cut it. As you can see, I did ask for assistance and my sister helped me to cut it more at the back because I couldn't see what I was doing and I didn't want to make any mistakes. So it came out pretty cute and very much blunt like I would like it to be. Let me know if you honeys find this tutorial helpful. Give it a thumbs up and also don't forget to subscribe. It is free. Thank you so much for watching the video to the end. I hope this was helpful. I truly appreciate it. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you honeys on my next one. Bye!